If ChatGPT is showing you error code 3099, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step, so you can get back to using ChatGPT as quickly as possible. We'll start with the simplest solution first, then move into a few more effective troubleshooting steps if the error keeps coming back. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you should try is the fastest fix, and that is refreshing the page. On Windows, press Ctrl and R at the same time. On Mac, you can use Command and R. This forces the page to reload and can clear a temporary session issue that caused the error. Sometimes ChatGPT just needs a fresh connection, and this simple refresh is enough to fix it. As I like to say, this resets the session. If refreshing doesn't solve it, the next step is to start a brand new chat. Click on New Chat inside ChatGPT, then send your request again from scratch. Old sessions can break sometimes, especially if the conversation has become too long, the page failed to load properly, or the back-end connection got stuck. Starting a new chat gives you a clean slate and often clears the problem immediately. This is one of the most effective fixes, so definitely try it if the first step didn't work. Old sessions can break sometimes. Next, check your internet connection. Even if other websites seem to work, ChatGPT can still fail if the connection is unstable or dropping packets. Try switching from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot, or from hotspot back to Wi-Fi, depending on what you're using. If possible, restart your router as well. A quick restart can clear network issues and restore a stable connection. This is especially useful if the error started happening suddenly or after your network changed. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt ChatGPT before it finishes loading properly. Another thing to check is whether you have a VPN or proxy turned on. VPNs can sometimes interrupt with ChatGPT's servers or create connection problems that trigger errors like 3099. If you're using a VPN, disable it temporarily and then reload the page. If you're using a browser proxy or any network privacy tool, turn that off too. This can make a big difference because VPN traffic can interrupt the connection. VPN can interrupt connection. If the problem is still there, the next fix is to clear your cache and cookies. Over time, browser data can get corrupted or outdated, and that can stop ChatGPT from loading correctly. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you clear cached files and cookies, then reload ChatGPT and log back in if needed. This step often fixes weird loading bugs, sign-in problems, and session errors that simple refreshes cannot solve. If you want one more powerful workaround, try opening ChatGPT in Incognito or Private Browsing Mode. This is a great test because it removes extensions and avoids a lot of cached issues. Since Incognito Mode starts with a clean browser session, it can help you figure out whether the error is caused by an extension, corrupted site data, or a browser conflict. If ChatGPT works in Incognito but not in your normal browser, then the problem is probably in your extensions or browser data, not ChatGPT itself. At this point, if ChatGPT Error Code 3099 is still showing, I'd recommend trying these fixes in order. Refresh the page, start a new chat, check your internet, turn off VPN, clear cache and cookies, and test Incognito Mode. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue without needing anything advanced. The key is to isolate whether the problem is caused by the session, the browser, or the network. So to recap quickly, refresh the page first, then start a new chat, make sure your internet connection is stable, disable any VPN or proxy, clear your browser cache and cookies, and finally try Incognito Mode. Those are the best practical fixes for ChatGPT Error Code 3099. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button so more people can find this solution, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials and AI troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.